Good evening, and I welcome you, students. We are likely to finish our this chapter also very soon, and then we know that already we are working on revision lectures and question answer sessions. And my plan is that I will be giving some more and few lectures on important question answers of different chapters. And I may call all the students in those or more students can join for certain lectures which will be for board papers. So, because only 1 month is left for the exam, we are aware of that. And I hope students are started their revision and practice. You are doing your revision and practice, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And I am also sending some exam-oriented lectures which are important because what we are trying to tell you that questions could be put in a different way. Student, if we understand the basics, we can answer the questions. It is it takes more time to understand a question than to answer a question. That's my feeling. That students don't understand the question, then they will not be able to answer it. Therefore, you will take time, read a question carefully, understand it, then answer the question, students. If I don't understand a question, how will I answer? Tell me. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is very important that we do not answer anything in a hurry. So we were talking with the solid state student. We have given you two important things that there is a closed pack three-dimensional packing student, HCP and CCP. What we told packings, what packing I told you, closed packed. We told you student, closed packing. What type of closed packings we discussed in three dimension, HCP and CCP.
Yes, sir.
And you have seen that they are very closed packing. How much close packing you may do? There will always be some empty space left, student. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that you are forming a crystal and the atoms are taken as spheres. Radius means I'm taking them as spheres, student. So you are
Hmm.
packing these spheres, student. How? As close as possible.
Yes, sir.
But still, what will happen, student? You have seen there will be some vacant space left. And that is what we are going to calculate, student, that the type of systems which we have discussed simple cubic, then we have discussed, student, FCC. FCC is also your CCP,
Yes,
and
sir.
then we have discussed BCC. We would like to find out how much percentage of space is vacant when the packing takes place, and which is the most efficient packing. So I'm talking of packing efficiency. I'm using two terms today. One, I'm saying packing fraction. What it means, students? What is the fraction of the space which is occupied by the atoms in the crystal?
Hmm.
That is the fraction. If the total space I know is available, but atoms will not occupy all the space.
Yes, sir.
What fraction is occupied by atom? That is my packing fraction. Packing fraction. The fraction, I am saying the fraction of total space in the unit cell occupied by constituent particles is called packing fraction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying. First thing I use the definition. Sometimes we ask the definition, student, what is packing fraction? Noted? Note
Yes, sir.
each and everything, student. The fraction of the total space, the total space, there is a total space, student. For example, if there is a total space, if I consider this as a unit cell, for example, a, what is the total volume available? A cube. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is the total space, but atoms are not occupying all the space.
Hmm.
They are occupying what? Only fraction. Only a fraction is occupied. So
Yes,
if
sir.
I know the space is how much space is occupied by the atom in a unit cell
Hmm.
divided by the total space available, that will give me
Okay.
what? Fraction, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying, what is the fraction which is occupied? If supposing out of this student, the space which is occupied by the atom, how many atoms are there? We have to calculate first how many atoms are there in a unit cell, as we have shown you different unit cells, simple
Hmm.
cube, FCC, BCC. It has one atom per unit cell. It has four. It has two atoms per unit cell. You have
Yes, sir.
calculated. So the space will be occupied by one atom in simple cubic. Total space
Uh,
is a cube, which you have seen a cube available. Out of that, only one atom is there. So if I know the volume of one atom divided by the total volume, what it will give me?
mm,
That will give me packing fraction.
okay,
So
sir.
packing fraction is the first thing I am talking. Fraction of total space. ठीक है? In a unit cell occupied by the constituent particles. Why I said constituent particle? In simple cubic, you have one constituent particle. In FCC, how many constituent particles? How many? How many constituent particles per unit cell? Per unit cell, I'm talking. Tell me, per unit cell. Everything we calculate for a cell, student. Per unit cell, how many particles are there
Mm.
in simple cubic? One. FCC,
Yes, sir.
four.
Mm,
FCC, two. So two atoms are there in BCC, four are there in this. They will occupy the space. Rest will be vacant. Rest will be vacant.
yes,
So
sir.
packing fraction. And what will be packing efficiency, student? Efficiency. If I multiply packing fraction by 100, what will I get? Packing
Mm,
fraction by 100, you multiply, that will be the percentage of the space, student,
mm,
occupied.
okay.
So the fraction packing efficiency mean the fraction the percentage of the fraction of the space which is occupied by the atoms. So packing efficiency is
Mm-hmm.
the fraction of the crystal actually occupied by atoms.
Okay, sir.
It is always less than 100% because it is impossible to pack spheres without having some empty space. Why? Atoms are spherical. So you can try any packing. You have seen.
Mm,
You pack them anyway,
yes, sir.
one dimension, then you have put another layer, student. ठीक है? You can put another layer on the top of this. What will happen, student? Keep on putting. There will be empty space. There will be vacant space always.
Mm,
Always.
okay, sir.
Therefore, we are going to calculate, students, the packing efficiency in different types of the unit cells. Which one we are studying? Simple cubic,
Mm,
FCC, and BCC. We are not going to
yes, sir.
others. That is not in our course. Okay? The fraction of the void
Okay.
space will be what? If I calculate the packing fraction,
Uh,
and fraction of the void space will be 1 minus the packing fraction. Okay? 1 is the total
okay.
space. So fraction means what? Fraction means out of 1, whatever is occupied. If I
Mm,
subtract, I will get the fraction of the void space. Or if I want to calculate the percentage of void space, student, then 100 minus the packing efficiency. 100
yes,
minus
sir.
the packing efficiency. Why do I am writing each and every word, student? Because when the four choices are given to you, student, or in reasoning and sorting, one word will change the whole story.
Mm,
In a line, they will change only if I use calculate the packing fraction. Then you have seen the volume occupied by the atom divided by the total volume available. If I say calculate the packing efficiency, then you have to multiply the packing fraction by 100, student. If I
yes,
tell
sir.
you in the exam, calculate the fraction of the void space, then you will calculate packing fraction. 1 minus the packing fraction is the void space. Then if I tell you calculate the percentage of the void space, then you
Mm,
will multiply by 100. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. So you have noted down this, what I mean by this. Now you are aware, student, how close packing you may do.
Yes, sir.
100% space will never be occupied. And in the three type of the unit cells which we are, student, we will be calculating today the packing fraction and trying to find which is the most efficient packing, which is the most efficient packing out of these three. Which one we will be calculating, student? Simple cubic, FCC, and BCC.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, Karnal. You are acting. You have energy, students. Energy. Keep yourself high. Energy level should be high. Otherwise, you will fall asleep. I will also fall asleep. For
Yes, sir.
teaching, also a lot of energy is required. A lot of energy is required. You know that. I have already given 3 lectures, so I need energy. Energy comes from the students.
Okay.
That if
Yes,
you
sir.
won't interact with me, I will also go dead. The lecture will also go dead, student. That is not my objective. If I teach you some good material should go inside your mind, student. You should benefit from this lecture. If you don't benefit from the lecture, what is the use of this lecture? Tell me. So my purpose is that you people should be benefited. You should get lot of question answer session, student. You should know what chemistry we are doing, what type of questions are coming. Everything should be known to you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So students, now I am saying, देखो कि first I am showing you simple cubic unit cell.
Yes, sir.
Simple cubic unit cell, student. Which we also told you primitive unit cell. Tell me where are the particles in the simple unit cell, FCC. Tell me where are the particles in the simple cubic lattice. Tell me, student, where are the particles? Fast, student, tell me where are the particles?
Sir, on the edges.
Where, what are edges? You are sitting in a room. Where, what are the corners of the room? How many corners you have?
8, sir.
8 corners. So they are not the edges. What is an edge? Edge is this one. This is a corner. Can you see corner, student? What you know, student? If I take any face of the cube, this is one face of the cube. Okay? Cube. I'm using cube, student. Cube. Cube means all the lengths are equal. This is a face of a cube. Any face you take. In the simple cubic, we told you particles are at the corners of the cube. At that time, I showed you particles small size. Actually, they are touching each other, as we see here. They are touching. These two particles are touching. Are they touching? They are like this, student. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Can you see they are touching like these, students?
Yes, sir. I can see it.
They will touch here also, as you will see. We have shown by dash line these 8 particles at 8 corner. Each corner is having particle, students. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8. How can you see now? 8, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 particles. Cube. A room, your room. 8 corners.
Yes, sir.
Particles touch each other. And if this is a radius of 1, we are assuming they are spheres. Spheres.
Okay.
Spheres will have a radius. If this is a sphere,
yes, sir,
has a radius r, they are all same particles, so same radius. And this is a. What is a? Edge length. What is a, student? Tell me. A is the edge length. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the relationship between A and R? This is an important point. First, we should be able to calculate what is the relationship between A and R for simple cubic. For simple cubic unit cell, tell me. What is this A equal to? This is R and this is R.
Yes,
A
sir.
equal to R plus R. A is equal to 2R. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Easy. There is nothing in this. This is simple. For simple cubic, this was my simple cubic, student. What is the relationship between edge length and radius? Is an important question, student. What I am finding relationship
Okay, sir.
between, tell me, edge length and radius of the atom.
Yes, sir.
Radius r of the atom. For simple cubic, what is the formula? A equal to 2r. Implies r is equal to a by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Noted? Number 1. Noted you? Now I'm coming to the FCC, student. FCC, face centered. Face centered. Cubic lattice. This is also called CCP, cubical close packing. And you have seen in CCP and HCP both, they have the same amount of the packing efficiency. They have the same packing efficiency. I told you 74%.
Yes, sir.
In the first case, coordination number was 12. Coordination number was 12. Okay? Now in face centered, how will I calculate? What is the story in the face centered? This is the face of a cube. You can see the face of a cube. Where are they?
Hmm.
Where are the constituent particles? Here the constituent particles are atoms. They are spheres. Tell me, where are these particles in the face centered? At the eight corners
Yes.
and at the center of each face.
Center also, sir.
At the center
Of
of each,
four sides, sir. Of sides.
ठीक है? Center
Yes,
of
sir.
each face, I am saying,
Yes, sir. Feel.
like this. This is one face. Now, interesting thing is this: these two were touching each other. In the case of simple cubic, they are touching. A
Each
and
other.
B, they are touching. But these two are not touching now because there is an
Hmm.
atom at the center of the face. There is an atom at the center of the
Center of
face.
the face. Yes, sir.
What will happen then? And we are assuming they are of the same size student.
Hmm.
This is a CCP. This is a FCC. What we are showing. ठीक है? Cubical close packing, close packs.
Yes, sir.
In this case, student, as you can see, I want to find the relationship between what I am trying to calculate. Relationship between important, very important question will be there on that relation between edge length. What is A? Edge length.
Yes, sir.
And R. What is R? Radius of the atom.
Hmm.
Now I will do simple maths. Very small amount of math. Student, can you see triangle A? This is a triangle. They are touching. This is a face, as you can see here. They are touching. Are they touching, student? If I put
Yes,
this
sir.
A, this is my D and this is my triangle. So in triangle ADC, this angle is right angle.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem, can I apply? What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to,
Hmm.
tell me, AC square is equal to what? AD square
Yes, sir.
plus CD square. Is that the Pythagoras theorem? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You have been reading long back. Okay. Yes. Thank you. What is the value of AC, student? You can see this is the radius of one atom.
Yes, sir.
What is this? R and R. And what is this value? R. What is the total value? What will be the total value of AC? Tell me. What will be AC equal to R plus 2R plus R? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to 4R.
Hmm.
That means 4R the square is equal to, what is AD? This is my edge length. A.
Yes, sir.
This is also edge length. They are same, student. It is a cube. What is then? A square plus A square. What it becomes? 2A square. If
Yes,
I
sir.
take the square root, 4R is equal to square root of 2A. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
R is equal to root of 2 by 4A, student. So I can write it like this. 2 into root 2 into root 2. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
4 I can write like this into 8. Root 2 cancels. What it is? A by 2 root 2. So in FCC, what type of this is FCC? This is also CCP, close pack structure. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
formula of the radius, student? What is A? A is equal to, what is the value of A in FCC? Tell me 30 seconds, student. Tell me 30 seconds. A is equal to what? 2 root 2 R.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2 root 2 R. R is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 A. ठीक है? Same thing.
Yes, sir.
So we have found another relationship between edge length and radius. Direct questions or numericals will be there in this. So you have to remember. If you forget, then you can calculate.
Yes, sir.
So I am saying, student, in this case, in face centered, these atoms are joining at like this in the face. These are not joining. Only the atoms which are joining, we will calculate the relationship between A and R, student. A and R. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
R, student. So what is this? A is equal to 2 root 2R. A is equal to 2 root 2R. Is it okay? So
Yes, sir.
in this case, our answer is A is equal to 2 root 2. A is equal to 2R. Now
Yes, sir.
in FCC, A is equal to 2 root 2R.
Okay.
Noted. Any doubt?
No, sir. I'm doing it on my phone.
Okay, okay. Now what is this? I'm coming to the BCC, body centered student. Body centered. What is
Okay.
this one? Packing in body centered student. What will happen in the body centered? Packing. We want to find the relationship. What we are finding relationship between. Tell me edge length.
Mm.
What is edge length is A and radius of the atom
Yes, sir.
R. Body diagonal means student you see point A and B they are touching. You see the spheres. What spheres are touching here? Once we have shown in the dark student dark.
Okay.
If I take this the opposite to this diagonal, this is a cube. This is a cube student. This point
Mm.
is touching this point. And these spheres, for example, we have shown here this line.
Yes, sir.
Now, student, we have to find the relationship between these are touching. They are not touching student now in this case because there is a particle, there is a constituent particle at the center inside the face student inside the face in BCC. So
Yes, sir.
the ones which are touching are on this side. So we have to find a relationship between edge length and radius of student. Now the question is there are two triangles in this case. What is important? It is the here I am saying that diagonal AB. What is the diagonal AB student? You have this type of arrangement. This will be R, this will be R, R, R. So AB is equal to here 4R.
Okay.
This AB. The particles you can see, we have placed it here. Like that. AB is equal to 4R. And you have this triangle student. If I put this triangle, this is my A student and this is my B. If I put this O, supposing AOB in triangle AOB, triangle AOB here student, this is a right angle triangle. What you will find AB square is equal to, it is a right angle triangle, AB square is equal to student OB square,
Mm.
OB square plus OA square.
Okay, sir.
Pythagoras theorem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But we already know what is OA. OA is equal to A student.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is a length, edge length. But what is OB? We have to calculate OB. We have to calculate OB student first. How will we
Yes,
calculate
sir.
OB? देखो, this OB, this is again this diagonal. This is A, this is A. ठीक है? If I consider this point as C student, C. What is this now? You are getting a triangle student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Getting a triangle. This, what triangle is this? BOC student. This is a right angle. This is a right angle here.
Yes, sir.
What you will get student? OB square is equal to OB square is equal to OA square plus BC square. And what is OA? This is A square plus A square. ठीक है? Both are A. This is also edge length. This is edge length. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is then? OB square is equal to 2A square. Then OB will be equal to square root of square root 2 of A. ठीक है? This OB is square root 2 of A. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is my number 1. This is my number 2. Put this value of OB here and OA here in 1. So AB square is equal to student. What is OB square? Root of 2A the square. What is OA square? A the square. What will be this value? 2A the square plus A the square.
Mm-hmm.
That will be 3A the square. What is AB?
Yes, sir.
4R the square. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
AB is 4R. You have seen this AB 4R here. There will be atoms here, here, and here. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
4r the square is equal to what is the value? This is our, what is this? 4r the square is equal to O is equal to 3a the square, student.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So 3a, then what is 4r? Root of 3a. Then what is r? Root of 3 by 4a.
Yes, sir.
R is equal to root 3 by 4a, or a is equal to 4 by root 3r. Is it right or wrong? Tell me, did I do the
Right,
right
sir.
or any mistake?
No, sir.
So R is equal to a is equal to 4 by root 3r. Another relationship. What is the relation between edge length and radius? For BCC, a is equal to 4 by root of 3r. So I've got three relationships. Important, student, important. You have noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed further?
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, note down everything important, because they will give a numerical in the exam. They will say the edge length is a, find the radius for a BCC, for a BCC. Simple
Yes, sir.
question, 2 marks, numerical. So many times given. Why I'm putting all this? Because question will be there, numerical will be there, student. In you are see that in this chapter numericals are coming. Solid state, electrochemistry numericals are coming. In chemical kinetic numericals are coming. Because there are numericals, student, in these topics.
Yes, sir.
Solutions. You know already 10 to 12 mark numericals will be there in the paper, student,
Yes, sir.
every year. So, and numericals, last time I gave you good practice of the numericals on tetrahedral and formula of the compound. You
Yes, sir.
solved
And,
at least 8 or 10 questions of formula of the compound. Important questions you solved last time. You have any doubt?
no, sir.
Okay, continue. Note down everything, student. Ultimately, you have paper exam, student. You will go in the paper, student, and you will be giving the paper. I will not be there. Nobody will be there. You are only alone there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, students, up to now, important thing, I have given you relationships between A and R. Did I give you?
Yes, sir. Wait, sir, what?
Relationship between A and R. A is the edge length and R is the radius of the atom. We have derived these relationships. Just now, what we have derived? ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Okay.
What is the answer? If I say for a simple cubic, tell me what is the relationship you got? A is equal to? Tell me, A is equal to?
Tell me, sir.
A is equal to what in simple cubic?
I mean, sir, in simple cubic.
In simple FC simple cubic.
So it is root 2a is equal to 4r.
A simple cubic. What noted you have noted down just now? A, what is simple cubic answer? What is the A in a simple cubic? A and R relationships I am asking.
So I said right now.
You have noted for simple cubic or not?
I wrote, sir. I answered right
What
now.
is the answer? A is equal to?
Sir, 4r is equal to root 2a. A is equal to 4 by root 2.
Where is
4r by root 2.
simple cubic? Where is simple cubic? This is body diagonal. This is FCC. This is simple cubic. What is the, what you have noted then for simple cubic?
A is equal to 2r.
Why you are confusing? We have written so many times.
Yes, sir.
This is the simplest. Two atoms are touching R and R. This is A. A is equal to 2R.
Yes,
Simple.
sir.
Most simple I am saying. This must be known to a student because a question is coming. A is equal to 2R. Number two,
Yes, sir.
FCC is also closed pack. This is also CCP or HCP. What is the value of A? What is the value of A, student?
So in FCC,
Yes.
so there is A is equal to 4 by 3 R.
Where is 4 by 3 R?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, it is, wait, 2 minutes. Sir, that was BCC, sorry, my bad.
You have
So it
not.
is,
We have.
yes, sir, I'm sorry, it is root 2 is equal to 4R. So it is equal to 4 by root 2. 4R by root 2.
I just gave you all these numbers, student. Why did I give you? What is this?
Yes, sir,
A is equal to,
ठीक है, sir. Yes, sir, I'm right, sir.
A is equal to 2 root 2 R. A is equal to 2 root R. For what, student? This is FCC.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was right, sir. I said A is equal to 4 by root 2 R, which is same.
Give the number. Why you are giving two numbers, 4 and 2? Cancel them.
Oh, okay, sorry.
2 root 2 R. Easy to remember. 2 R, 2 root 2 R. Array,
Yes,
2 R, then 2 I, 2 root 2 R. Number 3, I told you about BCC. What is A for BCC? For BCC.
So it is 4 by 3 R. 4 by 3 R.
4 by?
Root 3 R.
4 by root 3 R. We have to learn it. It is very important. I'm telling you, there could be numerical straight away on this, and you will get easily 2 marks. But you have to
Yes,
learn
sir.
it. You can't forget them because we have shown you the derivations of these. Derivations are usually not given in the paper. They give numerical on this. What they will give? Numerical.
Miracles on this.
So we should, if I don't know the formula, how will I calculate? There are 2 marks numericals have been asked so many times. Easy, just to put the values and answer is there.
Yes, sir.
But if you don't know the formula, then how will you do it? Tell me. How do you remember? How do I remember? A is equal to 2R. Simple. FCC 2 root 2R. Array 2 after 2 root 2R. Then
Yes,
4
sir.
by root 3. What? 4 by root 3 R BCC. Can you remember now?
Yes, sir, I can.
Speak out. What I'm saying. A is equal to, for simple
A is
cube.
equal to, yes, sir, A is equal to 2 R.
Then FCC
A is equal to 2 root 2 R.
2 root 2R. FCC is also CCP and HCP. They are also
Yes, sir.
same closed pack structure which I discussed. And what is BCC?
Sir, 4 by root 3 R.
Now you will forget in the paper.
No, sir. No, sir, I'll remember now.
Because I will lose 2 marks in the numerical, I'm telling you. There will be 12 marks of numericals, all from the physical part, chemistry. Organic chemistry, we are already sending you videos where we are showing reactions, what happens, complete the reaction mechanism. All this is organic chemistry. Conversions, complete the reactions. All this you can see, whatever we are sending you now, those are the question answer sessions. Okay. Now you will not forget.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us come now to how do we calculate the packing efficiency, student? Because we have now already got formulas for simple cubic, FCC and VCC.
Yes, sir.
Derived the relationship between edge length and radius of the atom. A is equal to 2R, simple cubic. For FCC,
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2 root 2R. And BCC, A is equal to 4 by root 3R.
Root 3R, yes,
Is
sir.
it difficult? Now I can.
No, sir.
Okay. That is my point, student. Whatever I say, it should be go in your mind, student. We are not sleeping. That's why I said energy level should be high. You can keep
Yes,
a hot cup of tea. If you feel like sleeping, sip it. You can't sleep now in the exam. Exams are coming.
No, sir, obviously, no option.
Because we will lose marks, student. Then what is the use? You will lose marks. I'm just telling you. If you work seriously, you will get a lot of good marks. I mean, that is my point. You will know all this you have done and you will do errors there.
Yes, exactly.
Now the question is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency, student. What is the packing efficiency? The fraction, the percentage of the fraction space, student, which is occupied. How will I calculate? First, I am talking of simple cubic cell. In a simple cubic cell, student, if I know, if I want to calculate the packing efficiency, what is the formula I will use, student? I am saying the volume occupied by the atoms in the unit cell. ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
Who occupy the volume? Atoms. Cell
Yes, sir.
has atoms. Atoms occupy the volume divided by the total volume of the unit cell. ठीक है?
Okay.
Total volume of unit cell. This is packing fraction. Packing fraction and efficiency mean multiply by 100. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is how many atoms are there in a unit cell in simple cubic? You see, this is a simple cubic. There are 8 at the corners, but only 1/8 part is present in a unit cell. So what is the total number of atoms in a unit cell? In simple cubic, number of atoms in the unit cell is how much? Tell me. How many atoms are there in a simple cubic unit cell? Z, tell me what is the value of that?
2 minutes, sir.
You already know what is the confusion. How many atoms
Yes,
are?
sir, I know, sir. So 8 atoms, 8, sorry, 8.
Huh?
8, sir, 8 atoms.
Array, 8 atoms are at the corner. What is inside the unit cell? I am saying.
Inside, sir, it is 1.
Only 8 into 1 by 8. 1/8 is
Yes,
only
sir,
1/8
only
of 1 is
sir.
present. 1/8. This is only 1/8
Yes, sir, only
student.
1.
And 8 of these are there. 1/8 into 8, 1. 1/8 student. How much? 1/8.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of then volume occupied by atoms in simple cubic? In simple cubic, volume of atom. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
formula? Volume 4 by 3 pi
Hmm.
r cube. ठीक है? This is a cube radius r. You know the volume
Yes,
of
sir.
only one atom is there.
Hmm.
So volume of
Aunty, get कर दो.
as see simple cubic, only one atom is there. One atom only. ठीक है? One atom
Yes, sir.
in SC. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the total volume? Tell me. What is the total volume? This is A. This is A. This is A. What is the total volume? Fast, 30 seconds. What is the volume of the cube?
Sir, volume of cube is A cube.
A cube. So then what is the formula of this packing efficiency? Tell me. Packing efficiency, students. Pay attention now. 4 by 3
Yes, sir.
pi r cube. Only one atom is there.
Upon
Divided
8
by A cube
8. Yes, sir.
into 100. Now, what is the relationship between A and R for simple cubic? Tell me.
Sir, 2R.
Chalo. Put the value here.
So-
A is
So,
equal
sir,
to
2R cube. 2R cube.
2R.
8R cube. So 4 by 3.
4 by
So it
3
will be.
pi r cube divided by
Yes, sir.
2r the cube into
Yes, sir.
100.
So 8R
Okay,
cube.
then you tell me what is the answer coming.
2 minutes, sir. Doing, sir.
Okay,
2
do
minutes.
it.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Down almost 2 minutes. Almost done.
Okay, okay, do it, do it.
Sir, my answer is 52.4%.
Okay. 3.
Right, sir?
Right. 8 r cube. This r cube will cancel. 4 into 2 will cancel into 100. So pi value, you know, 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 3 into 2 into 100. Students, so 52.4%.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, student, the volume of one atom divided by volume of the cubic unit cell is coming how much? 52.4%. For which one? Simple cubic. Simple cubic lattice. Any doubt? Then what is the
No, sir.
percentage of void space? What is the percentage of void space in simple cubic, student? 100 minus 52.4. How much is that?
Yes, 47.8%.
47.8%
6%.
space is vacant, student. This
Yes,
space
6
is
or 6.
vacant.
6%.
Void is still available. Almost, see the 48% space is still available in simple cubic. What will happen to that? Smaller particles will go and live there. Right? The packing efficiency is not that good. It is not very strong, not a very good packing because a lot of space is empty. Clear? Question could be put in different
Clear, sir.
way.
Clear, sir.
Instead of the packing efficiency, they can ask percentage of white space in simple cubic. How much? 100 minus 52.4. Noted every point?
Yes, sir. Copied.
Copied? Then I will proceed
Yes, sir.
further. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay. Every calculation will be done by you, not by me, student. You are going for paper. Let me tell you very clearly. You have to work. Now we are coming to student packing efficiency in the case of body centered. Which one I am studying, student? BCC. Lattice. What I am calculating? Packing efficiency. Tell me what is the formula, student? Volume occupied by the spheres
Yes, sir.
divided by the total volume of the
Total
unit
volume
cell.
of the sphere. Yes, sir.
How many
Because-
atoms are there in BCC? What is Z? Number of atoms per unit cell. Tell me in body centered. Number of atoms per unit cell. Tell me how many in BCC?
2, yes, sir.
You have calculated out.
So it is 4 atoms, sir. No, wait, 4, 2.
देखो, you are still doing lot of errors. Be
Sorry.
careful. You are already done it. You have to revise. And you
Yes,
have solved everything. You have not to cram. You have solved it, student.
Yes, sir.
In body centered, 8 are at the corner. One is inside. Complete one inside. See that inside complete one. They are at the corner. 1 by 8 into 8. 1 plus 1. 1 inside. Full one. 2.
Yes, sir.
2. Therefore, student, in this case, the packing efficiency will be how much volume occupied by the atom. Volume occupied, there are 2 spheres. Volume occupied by 2 spheres. How many? 2 spheres into 4 by 3 pi r cube. ठीक है? Divided
Yes,
by
sir.
total volume is a the cube into 100. Now, what is the relationship between A and R for the BCC? What is A and R relationship between BCC?
Yes, sir.
What formula I gave you? You are just, did you remember or forget? For BCC,
Remember, sir.
what was for BCC? R is equal to 4 by R. What is R, student?
So R in this case is 2 root 2. A is equal to 2 root 2 R. So R is equal to A by 2 root 2.
What wrong?
Yes, sir.
BCC, what you calculation for the BCC you have done? R is equal to?
Oh, 4 by root 3 R. So root 3 into root 3 by 4.
Root of 3 by 4 R.
4 A. Yes, so sorry, my bad. I mistake.
R is equal to root of, then what is A? 4 by root 3 R. We can put the value here. A, what you will get? 2, 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A the cube is how much? 4 by root 3 r the cube into 100. Now you calculate
Yes,
this
sir.
value. this value, volume occupied by two sphere, total volume of the unit cell. This is our packing efficiency. Calculate
Mm-hmm.
the value. Tell me how much it is coming.
Doing, sir. 2 minutes. Sir, this is coming out to be 2 minutes. Almost done. Sir, this is 68%.
68%. But this
Two
is
minutes,
my
sir. I'm going to
packing.
washroom, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay, go. Packing efficiency 68%. Then void percentage of void space in body centered cubic lattice. 100 minus 68, 32%. Students,
Yes, sir.
okay. Therefore, if a question can be find the percentage of void space in BCC, that will be 100 minus 68. Okay? No issue.
Yes, sir.
Question can be put in different form, student, in that paper. They will give you four choices, that which is the most efficient. We have left only with one. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay. Now I'm coming to the last part of our course, student, which is there in this packing efficiency in FCC. Face centered cubic lattice. That is also what we call as HCP and CCP. We have shown you HCP and CCP, two three-dimensional closed packs arrangements. We have discussed, yes or no? Three-dimensional closed pact.
Yes, sir.
What was the coordination number in these 12? Important question. Again, I repeat so many things. I repeat, note down every point. Anything can be questioned in the paper, I'm telling you.
Obviously, sir.
Now, how many number of atoms? How many number of atoms in one unit cell? In FCC, in HCP,
4, sir. In 4.
CCP or FCC unit cell?
4, sir.
4. So what will be the space occupied by 4 atoms? Volume, packing efficiency will be equal to volume occupied by 4 spheres divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Then what will be this? 4 into this, all this atom is a radius spherical in radius r. What is that? 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a the cube. What is the relationship between a and r for the FCC? For FCC, what is the relationship?
Sir, it is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 r, sir. So r is equal to a by 2 root 2.
So a is equal to 2 root 2 r.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2 root 2 r student for FCC. For FCC is same as HCP or CCP. ठीक है? So put the value here. Put the value
Yes, sir.
here. Then calculate student what is the answer coming. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by 2 root 2 r the cube student into 100. Calculate what is the value coming, students.
2 minutes, doing, sir, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. एक मिनट. Sir, my answer is 74%.
Okay, 74%. So out of the three, which is the most efficient packing?
Sir, this one, sir. HCP. CCP.
Most efficient packing.
Yes, sir.
This is HCP or CCP is more than next BCC and then simple cubic. This is the order. Packing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the order.
Most efficient packing. And if they ask you the void, which has the maximum void, percentage void, students' question can be put in many ways. Percentage of void which has simple cubic, which is the most, which has the most largest percentage of void spaces in simple cubic, then BCC, and then you have HCP, right?
Yes, sir.
You can get a question in any form. There is no guarantee that the same question is coming. Now I am giving some important table student information, very important. This there will be a question on this table. Note it down. Type of the unit cell, simple cubic, BCC, FCC. FCC is also HCP or CCP.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Packing efficiency 52.4%, 6874. We have calculated void space 47.6, 32, 26. You know it. Coordination number. Very important question. They will ask you in the paper. What is coordination number of simple cubic? 6. Body centered 8. And in
Yes,
this,
sir.
note down, student, note down.
Copy.
And relationship between A and R. A and R. A is equal to 2R.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 4 by
2 root 2R and 4 by 3. 4 by root 3.
4 by root 3R. And
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2 root 2R. Very, very important table, student, note down.
Yes, sir.
Why I give information? Because there will be a question based on this. You have noted?
Yes, sir. Copy.
Note down. Okay, then this ends up the most important part, and we continue with further, student. We have some more things to do. This is a very long chapter, but it will finish very soon, and with question answer sessions, because they are important. So we have to tell you how to solve a question, student. There will be numerical on density also. So we will continue. You want a class tomorrow? Yes or no?
Sir, tomorrow I have physics and maths. So
Okay.
Day after tomorrow, sir, is fine.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll see you day after tomorrow. Can you take the class in the morning also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Morning is fine.
Morning you can take at 11 day after tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect time, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then on WhatsApp I will send you the message. Okay. Then
Okay,
bye
sir.
bye. We'll see you in the
Okay.
next
Thank you,
one.
sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. All right.